Are you down an AirPod? Or does it look like someone took a hammer to it? No one wants to spend hundreds. Here's an idea. Buy a pre-owned AirPod, drop it in, and pair it. Before pairing, you'll want to plug in your case, preferably, and charge it for at least 30 minutes, allowing the new AirPod to acclimate with the old. Next, go to your settings menu, then Bluetooth. Turn it off and flip it back on. Pop the case top open. In some cases, it'll pair right away. Otherwise, hold the rear button down on the case and allow the light to transition from orange to a blinking white. Then click Connect. Continue. And you're all set. Back to whole, saving big.